guys, welcome back to the Summer Rain channel. I'm Jamie and today we're going to make a do-it-yourself menthol chest balm. It smells so good. So I went ahead, I put menthol crystals in here, and then I also added to it grapefruit fragrance oil, which smells so good together. If you don't vibe with that, or if you want to try something different, maybe you could do like menthol and eucalyptus. I think that could smell really good together. Or do whatever fragrance you think would smell good with menthol. Maybe you want menthol and more menthol. Just get wild with the menthol. Completely up to you. So I did put the full ingredient list and the recipe down in the description box below. I also put a link to my blog. So in my blog, I put more information on all the ingredients, why we use them, all of that stuff. I also put ideas on how you can substitute stuff out. So if you want to check out the blog, there is more information that you can find there. If you haven't already, be sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and make some menthol chest rub. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use in our menthol chest balm. We have coconut oil. Now coconut oil is kind of cool. So it melts almost at the temperature of your skin. So it's going to keep this chest balm in like a solidish form. But then when you put it on, it's going to make it easier to apply. Then we have beeswax. Now beeswax creates like a layer over your skin to kind of help keep the chest rub there. And then we have menthol crystals. Menthol crystals are not going to be able to be dissolved in oil. So they only dissolve in like a fragrance oil or in alcohol. So we'll dissolve ours in our fragrance oil. And I'm using grapefruit. Weirdly enough, menthol and grapefruit really smell good together. So I don't know the science behind that. And then I have apricot kernel oil. Now you can trade this out for any carrier oil that you would like. And then we have polysorbate 20. Now the polysorbate 20 is used just to help mix the menthol crystals in with our oil to make sure that it all mixes in well. And then you'll just need a container to store your menthol chest balm. Let's go ahead and make it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and grab your menthol crystals and your fragrance oil, and we're just going to mix the two together. Now the fragrance oil is actually going to dissolve these menthol crystals, but it does take just a bit of time for it to happen. So I like to do this step first. I normally just allow it to sit here for a bit, and then I'll come in and I'll give it a good mix when it gets closer to these being dissolved, just to help them finish up dissolving. So for now, we'll just set this off to the side and go ahead and grab yourself a heat safe container, and we're going to pop in our beeswax, our big old bucket of coconut oil, and then our apricot kernel oil. And we're going to pop this on a double boiler until it's completely melted. So our oils are completely melted. When you pull this off the double boiler, make sure that you take like a washcloth or something and wipe all of the water off the edges. And to our oils, I'm going to add our fragrance oil and menthol crystal mix. Now I kind of timed it, so I let this sit for about 15 minutes before I started the oil mixture, and that was enough for the menthol crystals to dissolve. So we're going to pop those in there, give it a good mix. And next we're going to pop in our polysorbate 20. And give that a good mix. And there's no preservative needed because there's no water in this mixture, so you don't have to worry about adding any type of preservative. This part always worries me when I have like a container like this. I feel like I'm gonna like pour it all over. So very carefully pour your menthol chest rub into your container. And then we're going to allow this to cool completely. And then after you allow your menthol chest rub to cool completely, it's fine to use right away. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making your own menthol chest balm. Bye!